Okay, we are going to take a look at system of operation, series of operation. On a furnace is going to be vent motor, glow plug, gas is going to be released, then the flame sensor. Right now we have two blinks, simultaneous slow flash, power on, normal operation. As soon as that time delay goes on, there's the click, I hear it. Vent motor. Then the glow plug is going to come on. Let's see if it comes on. Here we go. Alright, so you're going to see that glowing cherry red. And then once that glows cherry red, we're going to have gas coming out of there. There it is. If it's a spark, you would hear a spark. Okay, now we're going to hear a click of the gas valve. I usually put my hand on here to feel it. This one operates slow. There was the click. Gas is going to be released and it's going to ignite. If it doesn't ignite, then what you're going to have is it's going to go through the cycle again. So it just failed to ignite. We've got two blinks there, simultaneous flash. Normal operation signaled when heating demand is initiated at thermostat. Okay. There it goes again. It's trying again. Sometimes we just have air in the gas line. It takes a couple times at the beginning of winter. All right, let's see. It's trying again. And it did not work again. All right, so we're making sure that the gas is actually open, going to the furnace, which it is. And we checked out the meter outside. The meter outside is also on, so we're going to let it go through its third phase before it shuts down. There we go. Listen for the click for the gas valve. You hear the gas, and it failed. So the next thing we have to do is actually check to see if that gas valve is opening.